All right, in this video, I'd like to talk about translating word problems into algebraic expressions. So just how we would translate maybe from English into Spanish, here we're translating from English into math language, okay? So if we ever see something in a problem that says maybe 80 less 20, less means subtraction. So if we said 80 less 20, the way that we would write that in math using numbers would be 80 minus 20. Okay, great. So if we ever run across something that is less than, that's something that we need to think about, maybe switching, okay? So how about something like 40 less than 70? If we had 40 less than 70, this less than is very important to think about subtraction, but maybe switching it. If you're someone who might tend to say, okay, 40 less 70, oh, that's 40 subtract 70, then that would be wrong. Less than is the than is a very important word. That would be showing that it's 70 minus 40, because it's 40 less than 70. So you see how it would be 70 minus 40 in this case? Whereas if we said 40 less 70, that would be 40 minus 70. But 40 less than 70, you would flip them around, okay? So be very careful when you're translating as to see which one of these phrases we're using. So they all mean subtraction of some sort of another. Addition, whenever you see the word addition, or sum, that means adding. Whenever you see the word into, like how many times does 2 go into 8? So 2 goes into 8. We're using this word into as a quotient. Quotient means division, a division problem. So again, it might be tempting to say, oh, 2 divided by 8, but that's wrong. That would be wrong in this case. 2 goes into 8. The way that we show that is 8 divided by 2. Okay, do you see that? So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. All right? So be very careful when you see this word into. Make sure that, okay, do you see these? Well, we're actually flipping them around to make this a correct translation or interpretation of the English. Okay? So these are really good words to keep note of when we're doing our translation work. And I will let you do some of these translations yourself now. All right, thanks.